Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are building a PHpSPA app from absolute zero. We are going to start with a completely empty folder and one single file, index.html. It's the best way to see how simple this library really is. So first of all, we are getting our terminal ready and we are going to create a new folder directory called my app. So we change our current working directory to my app. Inside my app, we are going to install PhpSPA library using composer require the compose slash PhpSPA. Press enter. So this is going to install PhpSPA version 200 for version 2.00. So it has automatically created the composer.json where all our libraries we installed will be located. Compose slash PhpSPA at version 2.00. So we open it with VS Code using code dots. So yeah, it is. So this is the only things we have here. Vendor slash vendor folder where all our library is located and the composer.json. PHpSPA library alone because PHpSPA is a simple and standalone library. So we create our new file called index.php. Alright, let's open the file. We just need to write a few lines of code to get a full page running. First, we include the composer autoloader using require once vendor slash composer autoload dot php. We always first in the index.html we always include this autoloader to include all the necessary files from PHPSPA directly. Now yeah, let's use the core PHPSPA classes. Use PHPSPA backslash app and use PHPSPA slash components. It's capital letter P. Every app needs a layout. This is our main HTML shell. We're going to create a new function for our layout called layout. So this will return our HTML code. So let's call this one. Let's create a new div with id equal to my app is equal to app id app. This is where audio components we create will be stored. This div of id my app of id app. The app is the default element PHP is to use, but we can change this later. I'll be talking about this in later classes. So yeah, let's create our main app equal to new app and we use our layout which is callable. So now we can create our first component, our first page component. Let's put this on there at the to write function new component first homepage page equal to function component new component. I'll create a new function in it. This will return page one, call it home page, or hello world. Hello world. This is our first page. Use it page one. Don't forget our semicolon. So we can, okay. Then you just need to attach this home page to the app. Attach home page. That is the variable we just defined, which is home page component, and we run it. So we just save it, file save here, and open our terminal. You can just press Ctrl backtick to open the terminal. So we start the folder using PHP inbuilt web server. Serve local host 3000 dot 3000. Then we open it, we copy this URL localhost 3000 and open it on our browser. So here you can see it, hello world. This is our first page, a complete running PhpSPA application built from a single file. It really is that simple to get started. Now that we have this basic setup, in the next video we'll start building out our UI with more interesting and reusable components. See you then.